If you're looking for a pasta recipe to try, then this smoked fish and prawn stir-fried pasta should be on the top of your list. It tastes so good and I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Now let's make it. So we're going to start up by spicing up the prawns. I'm using some deveined prawns. You can just buy the deveined ones to save you the stress of deveining the prawns. And I'm going to spice this up with some paprika, onion and garlic powder, salt and a little bit of black pepper. And then set this aside for like 20 minutes. And while that is marinating, we are going to crush up some bell peppers, onions and tomatoes. So you're going to properly wash and deseed the bell peppers and then blend it up together with the tomatoes and the onions, and this is what it looks like. You can also blend in some scotch bonnet peppers to your taste. So once we're done with blending, we're going to set that aside and then cut up some onions, green, red and yellow bell peppers, and also set that aside. You can use as much or as little onions as you want. Then we're also going to cut up some carrots. I'm using one medium-sized carrot here. I used half of the bell peppers of each bell pepper. And then we're going to go ahead to debone the mackerel fish. I have a video of how I made this mackerel fish that I'll be linking for you in the description box below if you can't get mackerel fish where you live. It's very easy to make. We're going to go ahead to debone this and also set it aside. Now let's get into making the stir-fry pasta. Into a pan, we're going to be adding in some oil and then go in with our seasoned prawn. We're going to fry this on both sides for like 3 to 4 minutes. And then we're going to take this out. I'm doing this in 2 batches so I don't overcrowd the pan. So after the prawns have cooked, we're going to take them out, adding a little oil into the pan and then go in with the onions and a little bit of minced garlic and ginger. We're going to allow this to fry for about 1 to 2 minutes and then go in with the pepper and tomato puree and then allow this to fry for like 10 minutes. So after about 10 minutes, we are going to go ahead to season this with some thyme, curry, paprika, salt, and then some seasoning cubes. We're going to stir this together and allow it to fry for about another 5 minutes. And after that 5 minutes, we are going to be adding in our smoked fish, mix this together, and then we are going to set this aside. And then we're going to go ahead to boil some water, add in some salt, and then cook our pasta. We're going to cook the pasta according to the instructions on the packet. Then we're going to drain this out. But while draining, you're going to save some pasta water that we're going to use for the stir fry. Once that is done, we're going to transfer the sauce back to the cooker, add in a carrot, a little bit of that pasta water, stir this together, and then we'll go in with the pasta and also mix this together. So you can add in more pasta water according to your preference, depending on how saucy you want the pasta to be. After mixing that, we're going to go in with the bell peppers and also mix this together. If you've watched the video up until this point, don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe if you haven't, and thank you to all those who have subscribed. So finally, we'll add in a little bit of white and black pepper, mix this together, and then we'll top this with the prawns. And that's it guys, your delicious pot of smoked fish and prawns pasta is ready. If you tried this recipe, let me know what you think about it in the comment section and I'll come your way again with another wonderful recipe.